Summer road trips. There's nothing like them. Windows down, good music, open road, and absolutely no plan for what's for dinner. Perfect. Here's the thing about road trips though. The best ones don't happen by accident. A little prep before you leave the driveway goes a long way towards making sure the adventure stays an adventure. Start with your vehicle. Check your tires, pressure and tread. Make sure your spare is actually in there and that you know where the jack is. Not in a panic on the shoulder of the I-90, but right now before you leave the driveway. Also, check your fluids and general condition of your vehicle. Next, know where you're going and who to call if things go sideways. Download your maps offline before you leave cell range. Share your route with someone who isn't in the car, and make sure your roadside assistance membership is current, because AAA doesn't care how good your intentions were. Your med kit. This is where I live, so bear with me. At a minimum, bandages, gauze, a tourniquet, and a way to deal with a serious bleed if it happens. Most people's first aid kit in their car hasn't been touched since before COVID. Open it, look at it, restock it. Fatigue is the one that sneaks up on most people. It's not dramatic, it's insidious. The rule is simple. If you're yawning every few minutes or struggling to track the lanes, pull over. Coffee buys you about 20 minutes. A 20-minute nap may buy you 2 hours. Do the math. Trying to push through likely buys you a ruined trip or worse. If you're traveling with kids or pets, they have their own checklists. Car seats checked, properly stalled, animals secured so they are not a projectile or a distraction, snacks that don't require a full kitchen setup at 70 miles an hour. The road trip is worth it, every mile of it. Just put in the 20 minutes of prep before you leave. Keep your kit stocked and pay attention out there. The destination is great, but so is getting home. Safe travels from all of us at SAM Medical. We'll see you down the road.